CTO withdrawal has started. If you look at my screen here, you can see this is my own. This is my balance, 3,851. This is what I have withdrawn from my CTO. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your CTO. But we are going to be using Bitget in this video because a lot of people seem to be having issues connecting it to Metamask. So I'm going to show you how to do that with your Bitget wallet. Even if you connected your OEX wallet, I'll show you how to withdraw your CTO. So the mistakes a lot of people make is downloading Bitget Exchange instead of wallet. Let me show you the difference. For instance, look at this one on my screen here. This is Bitget Exchange, not wallet. So if you go to the next page, this one now is Bitget wallet. You can see that they are almost identical, so you almost cannot differentiate them. But then the difference is in the name. You can see this one is titled Bitget wallet, while the exchange is just Bitget. Or let me show you how it is in your Play Store. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you guys what the listing price of CTO is. So you might just want to stick around and get the details step by step. So you can see my Play Store is opened. Then I'll search for CTO. Sorry, I'm searching for Bitget. So you can see this one that is asking me to update is the exchange. If I should click on it, it is the exchange. So you can see because it's an exchange, they are putting in front of it Bitcoin and crypto trade. Nice, I can trade my Bitcoin and cryptocurrency on it. So this is the exchange, not the wallet. So if I should go back, if you scroll up just below it, you're going to now see the other one, the Bitget wallet. So if I should open it, you can see in front of it, they wrote Bitget wallet before putting in the crypto and the BTC. So that is just the basic way to differentiate between the two. For this video, we're using the wallet. So I'll just click on update and then I'll show you how you can withdraw your CTO to it. Now, kindly note, before you'll be able to withdraw your CTO, you must have connected your wallet initially. A lot of people are still asking me questions like, if I don't connect my wallet, will it work? No, it won't work. You must have connected your wallet on Satoshi app. Let me open up my Satoshi and show you. So this is my Satoshi here. If you click on this me session, okay, these are my assets. Then click on see all and I'll scroll up and this is CTO here. So if I should open it, my balance is showing frozen because I've connected my wallet already. There was a time where they allowed everybody to connect wallet to this, but that time has passed. So if you are trying to connect now, it won't work. I'm sorry, it won't work now. You can't connect. The time has gone already. So that time, everyone connected their wallet, and make sure for this video, the wallet you connected is what you'll be using. For those of you that use Metamask or use your OEX wallet, this is your OEX wallet. I'm going to show you how you can do that so that you withdraw your tokens to Bitget. So if I scroll here, this is my OEX wallet. So some people actually used OEX for this withdrawal, but it's not an issue. I'm going to show you how to go through that in this video. So this is my balance here. It's in frozen, and I've updated my Bitget. Okay, let me go ahead and open up my Bitget wallet and show you what to do. So this is my Bitget wallet. I've opened it up. Now, for this, because you are trying to withdraw your CTO, you are not creating a new wallet. What you do is to import. You click on this import wallet, you agree to their terms and services, and what we are going to be using is this mnemonic and private key, this first option here. Use that. Let me set my PIN. Okay, the next thing now is to import my wallet. Now, for those of you that connected your Metamask, because people connected Metamask, while some others connected their OEX wallet, that is this wallet. So if you connected your Metamask, the first thing you want to do now is to open up your Metamask. So once your Metamask is opened, the first thing you want to do is to go to this settings section. Then you go to your security and privacy. I'm going to go ahead and copy my secret phrase or my seed phrase. If you have stored your own somewhere, you can just go there. There's no need to enter Metamask, but I want to copy my own directly from Metamask. So I'll click on this review, follow their prompts. Then I'll put in my password and then copy my seed phrase from this page. So it's pretty easy as that. That's for those of you that use your MetaMask. Now, if you are the one that use your OEX wallet, it's almost the same steps. I'll go into my OEX app. So you can see right here, this is my OEX. Then I'll sign in. All right, this is my OEX, and as you can see, it's this wallet. The next thing is to also go back to settings. You go to settings, likewise, just as I did on Metamask. Then I'll look for this my backup here. All right, so this on this my backup page. If I should click on this session right now, they are going to be displaying my seed phrase. But for security reasons, I can't click on it, not to open it. So this is where you copy your seed phrase from. I'll copy my seed phrase from that page. So get this thing straight. If you use OEX, if you link your OEX to your CTO, then you are copying your seed phrase from your OEX. But if you link your MetaMask, then you are copying from MetaMask. And people asking me questions like, what of Trust Wallet and Bybit? No, you cannot use Trust Wallet or Bybit. The only two applications eligible is this MetaMask, OEX Wallet, and then this your third option, which is Bitget. So cancel those ones out. Now, once I come on this page, I'll now paste in my seed phrase. So as you can see, I've pasted my seed phrase and it's importing. So you just give it some seconds to import. Once it's done, you get this message, then you can click on got it, and that is basically that. Now, the next thing you want to do on this page is to fund this your wallet with minimum of 0.1 core. Now, there's a catch to this. For those of you that mine little amount of balance, like for those that mine around 3,000 tokens or maybe 4,000 tokens, you'll be able to claim your own without gas fee. But those that mine around 5,000 to 20,000 upward, you need gas fee compulsorily before you'll be able to claim your tokens. So the first thing I'll do now is to click on this wallet. Look at this wallet session here. You click to open it, and all I basically do is to copy this wallet. Just copy this address you're seeing above on your screen here. Once you copy it, don't mind that my CTO is displaying here. The reason why it's displaying is because I've withdrawn to this wallet already. So if you are doing it for the first time, you're not going to be seeing CTO here. So don't mind it. So once I copy that wallet, I'll take it, I'll go to an exchange. You can buy core from an exchange like Bybit or Bitget. But the problem there is that you cannot buy 0.1 core. It's too low. So you can contact a vendor. For instance, if you meet me on WhatsApp, you can buy core from me. But the minimum I can also send to you is 1 core. So for some exchanges, the minimum you can buy is 5 core. So for some it's 15 and thereabout. Just check it out. So for me, I fund this my account with core already. So if I should click on it, you can see there's some amount of core 0.082. Although it's not up to the 0.1, but then just for the purpose of showing you the tutorial in this video, I'm going to proceed. So once I'm on this page, the next thing I want to do is to look at this option, this all mainnets here. You click on all mainnets and you switch from this all mainnet to core mainnet. Look at core mainnet. So once I switch on it, I'll be having only this core and CTO. But for you that are doing this for the first time, you will not see CTO here displaying on your balance. You will not see CTO. And questions I get again is that some people say they've withdrawn their CTO, but they didn't pay them all their balance. They pay them little. For instance, if I should enter my own Satoshi app, you can see my balance is 23,117. And what they just gave me is 3,851. So I'm going to explain why this is so. But then before that, let's focus on how to withdraw your tokens. So once you're on this page and you have your core available, you come to this discovery session, this discover. You come here. There is a link you need to be able to claim this. That link, check the description box of this video. I'm going to drop it there. I'll drop a link there where you can copy that link from my Telegram to come and paste here. All right, so this is my Telegram page and this is the link you're copying. So I click on copy and then I go back to this page, paste in the link. So I just load up the link now and it's going to take me to this page. So if you're coming here for the first time, they will give you a prompt to connect wallet. If I should zoom it, you can see this is the prompt here, connect wallet. So once I click on this connect wallet, it's going to connect automatically to my Bitget wallet. All right. So you can see this question, this thing I'm getting, they're telling me to connect another wallet. Now, the reason is because I have claimed my tokens already. So if I zoom in my screen here, you can see claimed. So if you get this issue, if you get something like connect another wallet, it means you have claimed your CTO already. And for some of you that you are getting something like connect another wallet and your CTO is not claimed, you are not getting this message, it simply means the wallet you are using is not the one you linked. It's not what you connected to your Satoshi onto your CTO on your Satoshi app. So you need to use that wallet. So once you do everything successfully, all you have to do is click on connect wallet. Once you connect wallet, you follow the prompt and then you claim your coins. Now let me show you. I've claimed my coins, but they are not giving me all my balance. It's simple. The reason is because they are distributing 16% first. So out of your total 100%, they are only giving you 16% as an initial. So later on, they have a table of distribution. If you're in, I don't have the list now, but if you're in my WhatsApp group or Telegram channel, you get it constantly. I'll release it. They'll do their next distribution, I think somewhere around October, and the distribution should continue till somewhere around December next year, which is 2025. So that is by the way. So they're not releasing these tokens at once. Also, for the listing price, currently no one really knows what amount or what price this coin is going to be listed, and it's currently not listed on an exchange yet. So this your price here, this value you're seeing, this $1, is not the real value. It's not the real value. So I hear people confused. They are telling me, is it worth it to use Core to claim this token when it's not? This is not the real value. When it gets listed, we'll get to know the real value. And that is why if I should go on my Metamask, values are not displaying. This one is just displayed by Bitget. If I enter my Metamask, the value is not displaying. And what you should note again is that if you did everything successfully, the coin should also appear on your Metamask. Now, if you've connected everything successfully and the coin appears on your Bitget wallet and is not appearing on your Metamask, all you simply have to do is to copy the contract address of your CTO and then import to your Metamask. I've already shown you guys how to do that in a previous video. So if you've not watched that, check the top of your screen. I've pinned the video there, this video that is displaying. You click on it to see where to get the contract address so you'll be able to import your Coretardio. So if I should check here, you can see it's not displaying value. So this is how it should be. It currently has no value. Now, this unable to find conversion rate, it's a normal thing. Sometimes you can open your Metamask and then you see error messages like this token is a scam, or it's a normal thing Metamask do from time to time, so you don't need to panic. Now that is the basic way in which you can connect your wallet. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, make sure you like. And if you still have issues trying to withdraw, make sure to tell me in the comment section so I can assist. Do not forget, check the description box of this video. You can use the link there to join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel.